Does sitting at work all day have you with issues in the gym later? Maybe you have back pain or issues squatting and mobility deficits. Well, my suggestion for most people is to do things at work that keep them moving a little bit. Now, I'm blessed to have a job where I'm moving around all the time, and I know people always think I'm gonna be tired from it, but I'm not. I never get tired. It's because I'm moving, it makes it better. I'm always energetic. I'm talking, I'm moving, I'm stretching people, so that movement actually keeps me limber, and when it's gym time, I have tons of energy for it. I think what I've noticed is people that actually don't have jobs where they can move around like me have the most issues. So I would recommend a deep squat. So when you're at work, when you have a break, on a lunch break, try to get into a deep squat and hold it. We're gonna develop some ankle dorsiflexion mobility, some knee flexion, and hip range of motion at the bottom that you typically would not get. And we're gonna hold that for 5 to 10 minutes every day. So whether you're at your house or you're doing it in work time, try to get a few of those repetitions in. Your boss and coworkers may think you're weird and they may ostracize you, but maybe they're big dicks. We don't like them anyway. So we're gonna not care what they think, and we're gonna do it anyway because you're gonna get the most out of this movement by actually training yourself to get into a deep squat and get that lumbopelvic mobility at the bottom, get that knee and ankle and hip mobility. You're gonna love it. It's gonna make you amazing at performing your exercises in the gym later. And it's super simple to do, and it makes you feel better in your back when you're sitting down the rest of the day. So try it out and let me know how it goes, guys.